Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on discount worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of discount. And we've had a lesson on this already, so if you need some ideas or if you're not sure what the word discount means, on the next slide just click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain the meaning of the word discount and it will show you how to do the calculations. So let's see what this worksheet is offering. Answer the questions in each of the following problems. Number 1. A winter dress would normally sell for $90. A discount of 30% is offered because it is the end of the winter season. How much is the discount? What is the discounted price? Number 2. A clothes dryer would normally sell for $720. A discount of 35% is offered because the clothes dryer has a small scratch on it. How much is the discount? What is the discounted price? And number 3, this one's a little bit more involved, so when you have problems like this, you have to read them really carefully and look at each part separately, then join the whole problem together and work your way through it slowly. Of course, they're normally different parts to the problem, so work your way through it very slowly. The marked price of a refrigerator is $1,800. The store is expecting new stock to arrive, so there is a 20% initial discount. After the initial discount is applied, the store will offer a further 15% discount for cash payments. We have to answer 4 questions. What is the initial discount? What is the price after the initial discount is applied? How much is the second discount? And what is the final price after the second discount is applied? So this video has given us a very simple worksheet on the topic of discount, and all we have to do is read the problems very carefully and then calculate each part of the problem. If there are 2 questions, just take your time and do one at a time. The last one has 4 questions, so we just take our time with that one. And if you need extra help or you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there is a link. Just click on that link, it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these problems.